Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is My Knowledge Park, and today we have to discuss regarding the different types of the pronouns. In my previous video, simply we have seen only the pronouns. What do you mean by the pronouns? But आज के वीडियो में सर्वनाम के प्रकार क्या क्या है बाबा, कौन से है? जैसे कि एक सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस है जो आई, ये सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन है, ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्रोनाउंस मी है, possessive adjective my है, possessive pronouns mine is there, and reflexive pronouns myself is there, and this relative pronouns just you can say who, whom, whose, which, that, where, when, why, what. So what I mean to say that just try to understand different types of the pronouns, अलग अलग प्रकार के जो सर्वनाम है वो कैसे यूज किए जाते हैं। एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय ये जितने भी सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस आर देयर, वंस इन एक्टिव वॉइस आई बिकम्स द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब, whereas in passive that me becomes the subject of the verb. क्या होता है एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय? एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय जब एक सेंटेंस हम लिखते हैं, when we write one of the sentences and if we have to make that active into passive, at the time the subject becomes object and the object becomes subject. So main thing what it is there, different types of the pronouns में क्या है बाबा? सब्जेक्ट है I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. What these are? These are the pronouns. After that objective pronouns कौन से है? me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. After that possessive क्या है? my है. After that possessive pronouns क्या है? mine है. After that reflexive pronouns क्या है? myself है. Then relative pronouns क्या है? ये जैसे कि I have written already and just I have told to you. So relative pronouns are going to express the relation between the things, but reflexive it is not going to express the relation, but they are going to reflect the react of the object of the subject. How the birds are chirping themselves. Understand? So birds are chirping themselves. What it is? Themselves is going to express the meaning of reflexive pronoun. Now, subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjective, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns and relative pronouns. किस तरह से और किस ढंग से हमें क्या करना है, सेंटेंस में इनको यूज करना है. हाउ टू बी यूज्ड दिस प्रोनाउंस, और ये सर्वनाम जो है वो सेंटेंस के अंदर या बात करते समय किस तरह से कौन से ढंग से इंग्लिश में बात करनी है, ये प्रोनाउंस यूज करने के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. कैसे डिपेंड करता है? आई है, मैं हूं, मैं मी में चेंज होता है, कई में एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव में. आफ्टर दैट पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव आया, माय होता है. जब यू है, यू का यू ही रहता है. ये सेकंड पर्सन है लेकिन सिंगुलर है, बट हियर थर्ड पर्सन इज देयर, हियर प्लूरल इज देयर. नाउ ही इज देयर, ही बिकम्स हिम. अंडरस्टैंड? ही इज कटिंग द केक. द केक इज बीइंग कट बाय मी. Sorry, the cake is being cut by him. So he becomes here him. It means the subject of the verb is going to become the object of the verb. So this is very important. The main thing is that she becomes her. Understand? She is singing a song. A song is being sung by her. So what it is? So she is a subjective pronouns, whereas her is objective pronouns. Now it, there is no change at all. But in possessive adjective, it's means what? The thing which is belonging to a particular person, or it is associated to a particular person. For example, mine. What is mine? Mine also the thing which is belonging or associated to a particular I, me, my, mine, myself. After that, you. Again here you. Why? This you is going to express, though it is a what we can say second person, but it is here in this context it is going to express the meaning of singular noun. Actually it had to be expressed the meaning of plural noun, But here in this context, you is going to express the meaning of singular noun. Your, understand, same, your belonging. Slight we have to give the respect. थोड़ा हमें क्या करना है वह रिस्पेक्ट देके बात करने का. Yours, अंडरस्टैंड, ये पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउंस में yours. और रिफ्लेक्टिव में आपको बताया yourself, अंडरस्टैंड, तुम्हारे खातिर, हमारे खातिर, मेरे खातिर, उनके खातिर, जस्ट ठीक उसी तरह. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज ही, हिम, हिज, himself, उनके खातिर, यानी कि उसके खातिर, himself. After that she is there. What is she? She is pronoun, understand. Now in subject, what you can say, subjective pronouns, she is there. Objective pronouns में हर होता है. Just I have given the example. अभी मैं एक example दिया. कौन सा example दिया? She is singing a song. वो गीत गा रही है. And the song is being sung by her. ये जो है ये एक्टिव का पैसिव बन गया, और ये जो हर है ये हर वही मीनिंग एक्सप्रेस करता है. हर्स या बियॉन्ड दैट पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउंस के आगे गए या पॉजिटिव प्रोनाउंस के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हर सेल्फ, उसके खातिर, यानी कि लेडी के खातिर. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इट इज देयर, इट, इट्स. And here possessive pronouns, there is no chance. In possessive pronouns में it has no chance. After that we, us. अब we, us क्या होता है? We are selecting these subjects. ये active है बाबा. We are selecting the subjects. Now subjects are being selected by us. What happened over here? Here subject becomes object. यानी कि we becomes what, us. How? When we use that active into passivize, that we, it is a subject, but it expresses the meaning of object when it has been converted that active into passive. Now, then in possessive adjective our, in possessive pronouns ours, and reflexive pronouns में ourselves, हमारे खातिर, ourselves, हमारे लिए, you can say. After that you is there, same you. Now here you is going to express the meaning of second person, and here the meaning, here also you is going to express the meaning of second person, but what it is here is plural, and you becomes here your, and your becomes here yours, and yourselves, in which it is reflexive pronouns yourselves, यानी कि आपके खातिर. After that what we can say, they is there, they, वो, understand, they, it is the group of the people, maybe it is the group of the, what we can say, the birds, animals, whatsoever it is, they is there. They have what, they are, understand, what it is, they is there, do you know? They, it is plural, that is third person. They are singing a song. They are singing a song. If active में they are singing a song is there, then in passive the song is being sung by them. So what happened over here? Them has become here the object of the subject. Remember my dears, मेरे स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास का एक ही इंटेंशन है, एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाते समय सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस में कैसे बदलते हैं, और ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउंस में बदलने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, एक्टिव इनटू पैसिव के बारे में स्टडी करने के बाद आपको क्या पता चलेगा कि बाबा आपको, यानी कि जो सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस है वो ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस कैसे बनते हैं, कैसे बन रहे हैं ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस. जैसे कि मैं आपको बताया, दे बिकम्स देम, यू बिकम यू, आफ्टर दैट वी बिकम अस, इट बिकम इट, सी बिकम्स हर, ही बिकम्स हिम, यू बिकम्स यू, आई बिकम्स मी. Why it is so? Just try to understand. जब subject is going to become objects, and sometimes what happens that subject में I अगर रहा, sometimes what happens in active into passive, it converts into possessive pronouns. Understand? So in the same way, we have to take care while speaking in English, and as well as whenever you are going to make the sentences by your own. Apart from that, what is reflection? ये reflection है बाबा. कैसे reflection है? Just we are going to see our face in the mirror. क्योंकि दर्पण झूठ ना बोले, आईना कभी गलत नहीं कहता. अंडरस्टैंड, हमारी तस्वीर अच्छी तरह से वो क्या करता है, पढ़ता है, और हमारे चेहरे के ऊपर जो भी कुछ है उसके बारे में बताता है. यह रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. Until and unless we are not going to stand before the mirror, till then it is not going to reflect what we are. जब तक हम आईने के सामने या दर्पण के सामने खड़े नहीं रहते, तब तक हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कि वह हमारा चेहरा कैसा है. ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस वही करते हैं. क्या काम कर रहे हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस? रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं माई माई सेल्फ, मैं मेरे खातिर, yourself you yourselves, him himself, after that her herself, it itself, ourselves, yourselves, and them themselves. Apart from these, which are the different types of the pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, there is one more, that is relative pronouns, which is going to relate. What it is going to relate? It is going to relate the relationship in between the two things. How it is? These are the mangoes which are needed to the marriage party. Try to understand, these are mangoes which are needed to the marriage party. In that one, which is going to which is going to show the relationship in between the mangoes and which are needed to that marriage party only, not to another marriage party. या नाउडेज बहुत सारे क्या हुआ, मैरिज पार्टी के अंदर या रिसेप्शन के अंदर बहुत सारे चेंजेस हो चुके हैं. अनकाउंटेबल व्हाट आर दैट्स द जूस आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट. जैसे कि कहा जाता है इन अमेरिका, अंडरस्टैंड देयर आर 83 colored ice creams are available, and if you have to compare to America, in India also we should have 83 colored of the ice creams, but I don't know how it is possible. Filal in India there are only 7 colors of ice creams are available. You can go anywhere, understand, because rainbow is created by 7 colors. In the same way, if we have to compare to our counterpart America, George Mics कहता है, understand, क्या कहता है जॉर्ज माइक्स in one of the lessons of 10th standard, understand, consumerist culture, in that one he says, understand what he says, yeah, 83 colors, what you can say, there are the ice creams in America, and if you have to compare to America, especially our India, then we have to create 83 colors of ice creams, then only we can compare to America, otherwise it's highly impossible to compare to America. So this is the fact that George Mike is going to say. Baap re baap, I don't know how it is possible. Let me see, understand. So what I mean to say that, yeah, themselves, इसके बारे में बता रहा था. अब ये क्या है वह, just try to understand. Relative pronouns में who refers to people, यानी कि subject. In the same way, whom refers to object of the verb, whose refers to possessions, which refers to animals and objects. जैसे कि अभी example लिया, मैं have taken the example of one of the object, that is the mango, and that refers to people, things, animals. Yeah, that has been given the connotation. Yeah, to animal also, to person also, to thing also, that has been used. And what we can say, where, yeah, where is going to express the place. कहाँ से तू आया है, कहाँ तुझे जाना है, that is where it is placed. When, time है, understand, कब से खड़ा मैं तेरे लिए दीवाना बन के, time है, time, that is time. And reason है, why, reasons, क्योंकि, understand, why is going to express the meaning of reasons. क्योंकि इतना प्यार तुमको, that it is. After that, what है, what refers to the things. Yeah, whenever we are going to use the questions, or whenever we are going to ask the interrogation, at that time such of the things are going to express. So my dears, what I was going to tell you, just I was talking regarding the different types of the pronouns, and these are the different types of the pronouns. After that, how the pronouns are going to use in the sentences, especially when we are going to make active into passive voice, then we will study in detail. Along with that, just what are the relative pronouns and how do they use in not only in complex sentence, not only in compound sentence, and not only in simple sentence. Just we will think regarding in all near about all the sentences, how they are supposed to be used. Till then, take care. If you like it, please subscribe it, do not forget to share it. Take care. आपका दिन मंगलमय हो.